So, with the new YouTube partnership, I'm going to try and do a video every day and try and do videos people are interested in, and people seem to really be into my ghetto garage service. So, I'm going to show off my service. This is my hand warmer heater right here. It doesn't have a plug because, well, I can show you that after, but this is, of course, the legendary ghetto garage service, fed with good old stove wire left over from a job, which will be updated to tech cable soon, I'm sure, because it started out temporary, now it's permanent temporary. Coffee fits up there. So we have here, I hate split plugs, so I just split these up, two different plugs. We got this is a compressor plugged in here. That's on a panel switch. Turn that on. It is buried. Actually, the deck is sort of built over top of it, so it can't go missing. It'll just run until it dies, and then we'll replace it. What do we have here? This is the grinder. This was free. Came in. Somebody threw it out. Actually, the neighbor threw it out. Didn't want to take it when they moved. Just hang that up on the drill press. The drill press I had to pay for. That's plugged in here. We got this plug filled because that's on the compressor circuit. This is the chicken coop, which is that's the old free trailer turned into chicken coop, and we'll have to do that video after. The free trailer chicken coop, and the bikes are outside there right now. So the chicken coop, then this is just an extension cord that actually comes up here that has the heater. I'll show you why I have to plug that in, because this plug got all hot and melted, and so the plugs are different lengths now, and everything I carry is all tamper resistant. You can't plug it in, so this extension cord here is not tamper resistant, so I plug it in there. That's the only reason for that. Then we have here, I did make a split receptacle here. This is the lighting circuit, which goes up to the ceiling, this box here, which did plug these in, but they won't fire in -40. So, well, first of all, this remote switch I ended up frying because I plugged the heater into that switch, and it's, well, I'm not sure if it's 1,000 or 1,500 watts, but it fried it anyway. So for now, just plugging in, I have a light string. Got LED lights coming for that. This is just more plugs because I needed more plugs. There's only the grinder plugged in so far, which is this grinder. I have another grinder that doesn't quite reach. That's for my wire wheel. I just welded on there because it's got reverse thread on this side. It didn't come with the nuts from the dump, so got a coarse stone on this side and the old wire wheel welded on there. This is a little homemade jobby just for big open grinding stuff. That works really good, actually. And then there was a time I bought a grinder from the store for $50, I think. Stereo, I had that wired with the switch. This is the switched box, runs into the top of that. And then there's a remote for this in the house, so we can turn the stereo and the lights off from in the house. That'll be replaced fairly soon. And so we got 3 extra plugs there. Actually only 2, because the other grinder will plug in there. So this is, this switch is the bottom. Switches that guy on. Which actually works well. And it is just a ghetto tent garage. Oh, the heated flooring is so nice. Let's get a better look at that. It's just a 4x8 sheet of plywood. So I drive cars up over it. Use the jack on it. I actually caught it with the skill saw the other day. But it's okay. You can see the wire starting to come through on here. It's making a little pattern on the cardboard with the heat and everything. But it's continuing to work. So we'll just continue to use it.